Hello there. Are you in the market looking for an affordable four-bedroom semi-detached duplex in a developed area that you can use for a short let or for rental income? I have this four-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Ikota, in one of the most sought-after estates in Ikota for sale. And this property is valued for 130 million naira. It comes with a big pool and also a fully fitted kitchen, and the living area is spacious. So in a short while, I'm going to flip this camera for you to see what this property has in store for you. But before I do that, if you are new to my channel, you are coming across my video for the very first time, please do well to like, subscribe, share this video with someone. You never can tell, you might be helping someone that is looking for a property to own. Do so. My name is Chuka from Terraholmesproperties. Okay, once again, welcome to my channel. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, please do well to like and subscribe. Okay, today is our tour for our four-bedroom semi-detached duplex right here in Ikota. But before I go in, I need to show you the environment. So this is the environment of where our property is located at. As you can see, it's a semi-detached duplex. So let me go in. This is the compound space. You can comfortably park two cars right here. And it's coming with a CCTV camera. You can see the CCTV camera outside. So your property is secure. All you need is a smartphone and internet, and anywhere in the world you can monitor your property. So this is the living area. Once you're in, you're first of all greeted with this mahogany wooden door. Then you step into the living space. So this is the living area. So it's quite spacious. Comes with an inbuilt speaker. You have your intercom, doorbell stroke intercom. And also you have your CCTV camera in your living room. So let's head over to the visitors room. Let me show you the visitors room before I go to the kitchen. So this is the visitors room. It's spacious. All rooms are in suite. So this is the bathroom. Comes with water heater. Okay, so let me go to the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It's a fully fitted kitchen. Comes with microwave, oven, gas burner, heat extractor, water heater, kitchen island, double sink. So this is the door that leads to outside if you want to go outside. So this is kitchen, and it has a lot of cabinets, lots and lots of cabinets. This cabinet has a glass, so even your kitchen island too has cabinets where you can put conduits. Okay, so let's go upstairs. So first of all, you observe that the staircase is wide enough. You can, if you want to like carry your chairs, your bed, it's not narrow. It's easy for you to carry it. Because I have observed there are some houses you go to and the staircase are narrow. So this is a family lounge. This is the family lounge area. So this is room 1. Yes, like I said, all rooms are en suite. And the title on this property is the governor's consent, and the building approval is available for you to run your search. So the building has an approval. This is the bathroom. Shower cubicle. Let's head over to the second room. So this is second room. So it comes with wardrobe. All rooms are en suite. Has a water heater. So let's head over to the master's bedroom. So this is the master's bedroom. There's the master's bedroom. This is the master's bathroom. Comes with a shower cubicle and also a sauna box where you can have your hot air bath. After the hard day's job, you can come here and relax. So this is the balcony from your master's bed. This is the environment. It also has a inbuilt speaker. Inbuilt speaker. So sorry, forgot to show you. This is visitors' toilets. So the title on this property is the governor's consent, and the building approval is available. So call the number that is showing on your screen for us to get started. If you want to come for inspection, just call the number on your screen and I'll bring you here for inspection. Until I come your way next time, thank you and God bless. Almost with this tap. That's it. This property is a self-service. So you have your pumping machine and set up your pumping machine. So this is our boys quarter. And switch.